अधीर रहा। देश को आज़ाद करने के लिए हमारे देश के बहुत से स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों जैसे बाल गंगाधर तिलक, लोकमान्य तिलक, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू
Here to commemorate the 77th Independence Day of India. My heart is filled with pride and the echo of Bal Gangadhar Tilak's slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." This is not an ordinary day. 15 August marks a significant milestone in our history as we commemorate Indian Independence Day. We honor the sacrifices of our ancestors who fought bravely to free our nation from colonial rule. Visionary leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and Subhash Chandra Bose led this fight with unwavering determination, granting this precious gift of democracy. As we raise our tricolor flag, we must embrace the core principles of independence movement, inclusivity, diversity, and unity. While celebrating our freedom, we must not forget to address, accept, and face the challenges that persist: inequality, poverty, and literacy. Let us fight communism and corruption. As a responsible citizen, we pledge to take our nation forward, upholding the ideals of democracy, equality, and justice and unity in diversity in honor of our freedom fighters. Let us rejoice our nation Independence Day today. Together we can take our India onto the global stage and be an inspiration for the world. भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Equals of the bravery of a successful to brief in a freedom fighter and the together Jawans on the border. India gained independence to 200 years across British colonies rules on August 15, 1947. As we celebrate this day in a note forget to duties to Bharat Mata. This day is not just about joy, it is a soldier remembrance to the courage on a selflessness of a freedom fighter. Within a promise to in ourselves to each other, that who would have each and every day in a provide to dignity on a motherland. Let he and the combined ourselves to the progress of India. हिंदुस्तान
विद्यार्थियों को सहयोग दिया। आपके आने से हमें भी, हमारे बच्चों में हमें भी जोश बढ़ता है और हमें कुछ नया करने के लिए प्रेरणा मिलती है। निश्चित रूप से